What's that? Mabong. Oi, Jessa. Hey.
We don't need to
Where?
rely on
Jessa's phone there in your bag.
Look at what that.
When mommy said yes, when mommy say yes, then Jessa will what? Get it, okay? But you have your own phone. Jessa's phone is Jessa's phone. Mommy's phone, mommy's phone. Okay po, ha?
Where the door?
It's in your bag. Oh, you get one mommy's charger. Ikaw talaga. Ha?
Teacher Bam.
Teacher May. Ha?
Leah.
Si Leah, your classmates. Do you miss them? Do you miss them? Oh, you have to say, I miss you, Leah. Can you say it? How about teacher? Do you miss Teacher May? Oh, how? Can you say, I miss you, Teacher May? Say it na.